One of the biggest challenge with the Synindra project is the KYC, and it has been giving sleepless night to the community and to everyone participating in this project. And that is why I've decided to come up with this particular video, because a lot of people have been contacting me from Ghana, from different parts of the world, asking me how can they do their KYC, because I've made a lot of videos to help people that can do their KYC, but most of those videos were only able to help Nigerians, people that are from my own country. And we have been helping ourselves. We have been opening branches where you can be able to locate it and do your KYC, because for you to do the Synindra KYC, you need to go to their branch, to their head office branch, which is being created in your local, in your country or in your region. So you need to go there physically with your identification documents to be able to do your KYC. And I've come up with this video to hoping that it is going to help whoever or anybody that is outside of Nigeria, and also to help those who are in Nigeria and have been finding it difficult to do their Synindra KYC. You can apply it and be able to do your own KYC, and also be helping others do their own KYC. And that is why I'm making this video. So this video is going to be very, very interesting and informative. So I implore you to make sure that you watch from the beginning to the end. But before we go into that, if you are new into my YouTube channel, or if you are not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly hit the subscription button. Also turn on the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever I upload new video. So once you come here, this is Synindra app, and then you can see X right here. They have linked their X account. Now for you to do this, you need to be a company owner. What do I mean by company owner? Now I'm going to explain that as we move forward, but look at this post that they made somewhere in April, and they said companies owners now can apply to help in users to do KYC in their countries using the syndraclubs.com. Once you upload your company's registration papers, make sure it's valid. We will screen companies and approve them soon. We believe this will help with mass KYC. And if you come down to this particular post right here, once again, you are going to see they are asking a question. Do you want to open a franchise and an office in your country representing Synindra? They say apply now. So you are going to apply using this link. So it's a question that is open to anybody. So anybody watching this video, you can actually become open a franchise with them, become partner with them, and they will now name to an office branch to be able to validate and do the KYC. So all you have to do is click on the link. So once you click on the link, you are going to come over to this page. So you can just go ahead, click on apply now, and then once it loads up, you are going to log in using your Synindra account. So once you log into it, you are going to come over here, and then you can see business application, manage and track your business verification application with Synindra Club. So your applications right here. So submit your KYB. So you know we have KYC and we have KYB. What is KYC and what is KYB? KYC simply means know your customer, and the KYB means know your business. So know your customer is at the individual level, while know your business, the KYB is at the level of an organization. So which means that it is an organization to an organization. The KYC is at the level of Synindra as an organization to a customer, to an individual. So that is the difference. So now what this one means here now is that you want to register or to submit your KYB. That means submitting the documents of your business, which means that you need to have a business that is registered with the government of your locality. Let's say if you're in Nigeria, you need to have a business that you have registered with the CAC, or you need to have a business that is registered and recognized as a limited liability, or any company or that is registered. Now if you are in Ghana, it simply means that you need to have a business that you have registered with the government. If you are in US, you need to have a business that is registered with the government. So if you are in any country, you need those information, because that is what they are going to request from you. Just like when you are doing your KYC, they will request you for documents such as your ID card and all the rest. So they are going to request some of those documents right here when you are applying for this. So you need to click on submit your KYB, and then once you click on it, you're going to come here. They say fill the application. So that's the first thing. So once you fill, you're going to verify, and then it is going to process, and then it will be approved. So these are the steps in which it is going to pass through before you are being approved. So all you need to do is scroll down, and then you're going to see application form. So complete all the required fields for your business verification. Your information is protected with industry standard security measures. So this one now is about the safety, so that you know why that the information you are providing will be safe, so that they won't just for security purpose. And then if you come right here, you see basic information. So first of all, you need your business logo, which is very, very important. So you upload your business logo right here, the name of your business, you upload it, then the registration number. So once you register a company, you are going to get a registration number, so you are going to insert it here. And then contact information, so you are going to insert the email, that is your own personal email, or the email of your business. That is if you have two different emails. But if you are using the same email for your business and yourself, so you can just insert it there. And then you have a phone number, and then the website, that is if your business has a website, so you can enter it right here. And then address information, so what is the address that your business was registered to, so you are going to enter those information here. Then the city, then the country, if it is Nigeria, if it is Philippines, if it is US, if it is Bangladesh, if it is India, any country, so you can just enter it right there. And then they say proof of address. So proof of address means the address of your business or your house, so you are going to insert it there. Let me say something here. If you proof of address, you can also make use of utility bills. Utility bills are bills like NEPA bill, water bill, waste bin bill, and some of those things. So you can also insert it right here. And then they say business license, so you are going to enter your license document right here, and then the license issue date, and then the expiry date. All of those information you are going to put there. Additional documents, so certificate of incorporation, you are going to insert all of those things. Article of association, so you are going to insert all of that. So you need your UBO ID document, so you need it. And then you need your UBO proof of address. So once you have done that, you are going to submit. So once you have filled all this gap, you click on submit application. Once you click on submit application, first is to fill. You have filled it. So once you have filled, that's the first thing. So the next, after you submit, the next thing will be verification, document review and validation. So that is what verification stage is about. So that means that is after you have submitted, and then it is going to process application review in progress, and then finally it will be approved if everything is in line according to their standards. So once it has approved like that, that will now automatically license you and authorize you to be able to do another person's KYC. So it's as simple as that. And I feel that this is the information that is going to help one or two, and then help as many people be able to do their KYC for the Sidra before the listing. Remember, this project is I call it the Middle East oil money. Don't joke with Sidra. Don't joke with this project. It is the first Arabic digital assets, so it is the first time, and they cannot allow it to fail. There is no way they want to allow it fail. They will do their best, their everything to see it succeed. I know all these Arab countries, they don't joke, bro. They don't joke. They are business people. They mean it. That's why when you hear Qatar, you don't joke. This is a Qatarian project. Don't joke with it. This is oil money. So I just thought of briefing my community with this, and also share this video so that it can reach to many people as possible. Share to groups, share to any place, so that it can help many people do their KYC. So that will be all for now. And if you are new into my YouTube channel, please don't forget to hit the subscription button, turn on the notification bell, so that you always get notified whenever I upload new videos. So thank you so much. See you in my next video.